Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a delicious upside-down pineapple cake recipe that's sure to impress your taste buds. So, let's dive right in. First, let's gather all the ingredients we need for this scrumptious cake. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, a half cup of unsalted butter, softened 1 cup of sugar to large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half cup of sour cream, 1 can of pineapple rings, drained, a half cup of chopped pecans, a half cup of brown sugar. Now, let's get started with the recipe. Preheat your oven to 350 F175C and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Set it aside for now. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, alternating with the sour cream, and mix until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and arrange the pineapple rings on top, pressing them gently into the batter. Sprinkle the chopped pecans evenly over the pineapple rings. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of butter until well combined. Spread this mixture evenly over the top of the cake. Bake the cake for 45–50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool for 10 minutes before inverting it onto a serving plate. And there you have it, a delicious upside-down pineapple cake that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.